Alright guys, so here we are, the heroes of the Puniverse. And as you can see here, this is now a try system, no longer a buy system. And it is much sturdier in construction than it was before. So basically it's up to you and your imagination how and which pieces you 3D print and put together. But the kit itself is good, and I've just demonstrated it right here. There are so many different ways that you could put this together. The parts are good, the design is not great, but again, this is something that I put together in a couple of hours, and it was the same parts as the disastrous thing that I showed you guys last time. So there we go. Thanks for watching.
Likey.